Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to ElectroPixels. Today in this video, we are going to repair this 43-inch 4K LG LED TV that comes with a blank screen problem. In this TV, the complaint is sound okay but no display. As we discussed in our earlier videos, these types of complaints are mainly caused by internal shorting in the gate signals inside the glass panel. The shorting may occur either on the left side or the right side of the panel. If the shorting is present only on one side, then we can repair the TV temporarily using the taping method. But if the shorting is present on both sides, then panel replacement is the only solution. So friends, now we have opened the TV back cover. In this LG TV, the T-count section is integrated with the motherboard itself. So there is no separate T-count board. Here you can see two FFC cables that represent the left and right side connections of the glass panel. First, we are going to block the right side gate signal tracks using the taping method. You need to carefully block around 20 tracks as shown in the video. This process should be done carefully because wrong taping can create picture issues or complete no display. Now the taping process has been completed successfully. So let's reconnect the FFC cable and turn on the TV. See friends, now the picture has appeared successfully, and the TV has started working normally again. The blank screen problem is solved using the taping method. But always remember one thing friends, this is only a temporary solution. The permanent solution for this problem is always panel replacement. And we cannot predict how long the TV will continue working with this taping method because it completely depends on the condition of the panel and user luck. So that's it for today's video friends, hope you liked this repair video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ElectroPixels.